Platform is going to get fully constructed and assembled here in Harvey, Louisiana. From here, it will get loaded out onto a barge and be transported to Mississippi. So we are building the quarter-scale pilot floating offshore wind platform as the first real proof of concept of our offshore wind platform technology. This project is really critical for us to prove the unique aspects of our technology.
The Aikido design allows flexibility in terms of multitude of locations to assemble, to fabricate, to collaborate. One of the main innovative concepts behind the Aikido design is the pin joints. The pin joints allow fabrication of the components outside of the assembly area. It doesn't have to be fixed within the assembly yards, and it can be barged in, it could be shipped in different components, assembled, the pins pulled, pins inserted. That is probably one of the most unique concepts that Aikido has on this. The assembly cradle, as we call it. What it allows us to do is put different components into the cradle itself. With that too, it also allows a smaller footprint.
These large steel structures come together during the final assembly process 10 times faster than conventional offshore wind platform construction. Since the final assembly of the unit in Louisiana, we have transported it on a fairly small barge to Mississippi here in Pascagoula. We put it into the water using a crane to mimic the effect of sinking the barge. And once in the water, we wet towed it to the test site. What we're showcasing today is really the repeatability and the robustness of the upending process and de-risking it in the eyes of our customers and of the regulators. What we really want to show to them is how we can do this in real-world environmental conditions and how we can then do it at the next scale up, which is the full-scale unit, which is 4 times the size.
This is technology we desperately need. It unlocks the offshore wind industry because so much headwind in the industry, excuse the pun, has come from sighting challenges, being too close to shore, and yet we have this incredible resource available to us offshore if only we could build more easily. And so Aikido is going to enable us to do that.
To just see the platform go from folded up to unfolded real time, that was incredible. Be out there on it, really feel how stable it is, to see all the design features and the engineering effort come to life and to work perfectly was amazing.
Aikido's mission is to accelerate the deployment of floating offshore wind to help decarbonize electricity grids around the world.